Normal lifespan of common electrical appliances. Welcome to this presentation on the normal lifespan of common household electrical appliances. In this session, we'll look at how long different appliances generally last, and what factors can help extend their durability. Introduction. Household appliances play a major role in our daily lives. However, like all machines, they come with a limited lifespan. Larger appliances such as refrigerators and washing machines often last over a decade, while smaller ones like microwaves may need replacement sooner. Let's explore this further. General lifespan by appliance. Here is a general breakdown of average lifespans. Washing machines last about 10 to 15 years. Dryers typically run for 10 to 13 years. Refrigerators can last anywhere between 10 and 18 years. Dishwashers generally last 9 to 16 years. Gas ranges are quite durable, often lasting 15 years or more. Microwave ovens have a shorter lifespan of about 9 to 10 years. And garbage disposals usually last 10 to 15 years. Of course, these are averages, and actual lifespan varies. Factors affecting appliance life. Several factors can extend or reduce the lifespan of your appliances. First, regular cleaning and maintenance, such as keeping dishwasher filters clean or running cold water through garbage disposals, makes a big difference. Second, proper installation and correct usage, by following manufacturer guidelines, can prevent premature breakdowns. Finally, the overall quality of the appliance matters. In fact, many modern, high-tech appliances are showing improved durability compared to older models. Conclusion. In conclusion, while appliances do have an average life expectancy, their actual lifespan depends heavily on how well they are maintained, how carefully they are used, and the quality of the product. With proper care, many appliances can last well beyond their expected years, saving you money and hassle.